Hi you guys, we're here for Wednesday's lesson. I need you guys to please copy this down, pause the video, and then I will start. This is kind of a long lesson. There will be 3 parts most likely. Okay, now that you've copied this down, we have trinomial factoring. This is on page 395, 396 in your textbook. I told you to copy this. This is in your book, but this is x plus bx plus c. These are all positive, so both of your parentheses will be positive. Then we have a negative and a positive. That means 2 parentheses will be negative. Then we have a negative and a negative, or a positive and a negative. That means you could have a positive and a negative, or a negative and a positive. Okay, I'm going to break this all down today. Okay, we have g squared plus 7g plus 10. You need factors of 10 that equal 7. So I'm going to get my factors of 10. And I know these are all positive. So I have 1 plus 10, that equals 11. That's not positive 11, that's not going to work. And then I have positive 2 plus 5, which is positive 7. Good, that works for me, okay? So now I'm going to take these 2 and I am going to factor by grouping. So we have g squared plus 2g plus 5g plus 10. Okay? So now, there we go, it looks better. I'm going to put them in 2 groups. Okay? So, my step 1, I'm going to pull out GCF. Okay? The only thing they have in common here is a G. Okay, now I have 5G and 10. 5 times G and 2 times 5. They have 5 in common, so I'm going to pull out a 5. I'm going to bring down the middle sign. Okay, I'm bringing down the middle sign, which is my positive 5, so I brought that down. Okay, now I'm going to have my parentheses. Okay, the great thing about the parentheses, you guys, is these are identical twins. Okay? Identical twins. So, g squared divided by g is just g. And g and 2g divided by g is 2. Now this is going to be identical here. So I'm going to have g plus 2. So now my binomials GCFs and a twin. So with my GCFs, I have g plus 5, and my twins are exactly the same, and I only need one of them, g plus 2. And here's my final answer, and you can check with your work with FOIL, which we're going to do in part 2. See you in a second.